Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to choose a Shopify plan. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, if you didn't know yet on how to choose a plan, you can go ahead and click on select the plan right here at the bottom left. So just click on it and wait for it to load. Once it loads, you'll have Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus. Now, which one should you choose? Now, first up right here, we have the Basic. Okay. So this one is best for new businesses launching a full online store. This one includes unlimited products, and you could add in 2 staffs right here or 2 staff accounts. Also, you have these core features. Okay. Shipping labels, 10 inventory locations, sell in person with a phone or card reader, full online store, and AI selling. Now we have here the Grow plan. So this one is best for scaling businesses. You can add 5 staff accounts. Okay. You'll have a shipping insurance as well, right here. And then you have professional reporting. Now we have the advanced section right here, the advanced plan. This one is ideal for high volume businesses. Okay, includes 15 staffs. As you can see here, custom reporting and third-party carrier calculated shipping rates. You also have the option to contact the chat support directly. That is opened 24/7. Now, lastly, here we have the Shopify Plus. This one right here is enterprise level plan for large brands are requiring complex automation, wholesale B2B, and advanced customization. Now, instead of opting for the most expensive plan right away, you can choose based on what features your operation currently require. For example, if you're hiring employees, okay, you will need to evaluate plans based on account limits. For example, Basic right here again got 2, Grow right here got 5, and Advanced got 15. And also, if you require a third-party calculated shipping rates for precise check calculations, you'll need advanced plan for that. Now, if you need deeper data on where your customers are coming from, just upgrade to the Grow tier. This one got advanced reporting as well, just like Advanced and Plus right here. Now, there you have it. I hope I helped you with choosing your preferred Shopify plan. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.